Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about intermediate second year mathematics. Topic is circles. Now we have to discuss about second standard form of the circle. Standard form. In previous video already we have discussed about x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is one of the standard form of the equation of the circle. Now we have discussed about another important standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is called a second standard form of circle equation. The center is minus g minus f, and the radius is g square plus f square minus c under root. Here the circle, the center is h comma k and the radius is r. Simply we are writing a equation of the circle, and the first form is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Center is h comma k and radius is r. Here the another form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, whose center is minus g minus f. Radius is root over g square plus f square minus c only. The equation of the circle passing through origin. How we are writing the equation of the circle passing through origin is, the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle passing through the origin. Now we have to solve the problems on find the equation of the circle if center and radius is given, one model, and find the center and radius of any circle is given, another model. Find the equation of the circle passing through some points is given. So we have discussed for model 1, if circle center and radius is given, we have to find out the equation of the circle. Is a model 1. And model 2, find the equation, find the radius and center of the circle if circle is given. And third one is find the equation of the circle passing through some points is given. So we can solve one by one. The first one, find the equation of the circle whose center minus 2 comma 5 and the radius is 7. Radius is 7. This is the question only. How we can solve the problem? Center is minus 2 comma 5 and the radius is 7. We will take a first standard form. That is the equation of the circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the standard form. This is h comma k and r is given, right? That means x minus of minus plus x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 7 square only. That is simply known as x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 49. The simple is known as x square plus y square plus 4x minus 10y plus, so it is a 29, so it is minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle whose center is minus 2 comma 5 and the radius is 7. Problem number 2. Find the equation of the circle whose center minus a minus b and radius is root over a square minus b square. So inside the root value must be positive. So also very simple problem is the model of first one. So center is minus a minus b and the radius is equal to root over a square minus b square and the root only. So the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the standard form. That implies minus a minus b means x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to r square means a square minus b square. The simple is known as x square plus a plus whole square 2ax plus a square plus y square plus 2by plus b square is equal to a square minus b square only. This a square cancel only. The simple is known as x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus b square and plus b square is 2b square is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle whose center is minus a minus b and the radius is we are getting. The third one, find the center and radius of the circles. So question number 1 and question number 2. So very simple only. Question number 1, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equal to 0. So generally first of all we are writing the equation x square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equal to 0. This equation can be compared with the general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation. So therefore the center is minus g comma minus f. That is minus g and minus f means 2 comma 4. Because of here in the minus 4 minus g minus 4 is equal to minus g means 2g. That means g is equal to 2 and similarly f is equal to 4. And the radius direct formula, radius small r is equal to what is the formula? G square plus f square minus c only. So g square is already g is there and f is there. So 4 plus 16 minus here c is equal to minus 41. C is equal to minus 41 plus 41 only. Right? The simple is known as this is 20. 20 plus here 61. Root 61 is the our radius only. Similarly for the second equation 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 8y minus 18 is equal to 0. First of all, this equation can be transformed to homogeneous model. That means the coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square must be 1. That means we can divide the total equation by 2. That is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 9 is equal to 0. Because we can divide it with 2. That means x square plus y square 4x by 2 means minus 2x plus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, center is minus 2. It means minus g minus f. Nothing but 1 comma minus 2. This is center only. Radius is equal to what is the radius? G square plus f square minus c under root only. So g square is 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. C is already minus 9 only, that is plus 9 under root only. That is 1 plus 4 plus 9 means root 14 is our radius of the circle. Our radius of the circle. The fourth one is find the equation of the circle passing through 2 comma minus 1 and the center is 2 comma 3. Right? So general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle only. The equation of the circle passing through these points only. That is already center is, what is center? C is minus g minus f. So minus g minus f, center is. So center is minus g minus f is equal to already given 2 comma 3. That is, you can apply this one x square plus y square plus minus 4 x minus 6y plus c is equal to 0. Because of minus g replaced 2, that means g replaced minus 2, f replaced minus 3. You are getting this one. This is the equation, general equation of the circle, and the circle passing to the point. So this is equation 2. Since 2 is passing through 2 comma minus 1, that implies x replaces 2 and y replaces minus 1, 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 2 minus 6 into 1 minus 1 plus c is equal to 0. So you can simplify this. 4 plus 1 minus 8 plus 6 plus c is equal to 0. That is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 here 11 minus 7, that is 3 minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 3 only. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle passing through 2 comma minus 1 and with center 2 comma 3. Question number 5. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2 comma 3, concentric with the circle. That means concentric circles means this is one circle, this is another circle, but the difference is only center is same, a comma b. This is a radius small r, this is a radius big R only. These two circles are called concentric circles. The center is 2 comma 3, another is radius is. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus c1 is equal to 0. Only the concentric circle, another circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus c1 is equal to 0. So this equation passing through the point. So this is the equation of the required circle. Since one is passing through 2 comma 3, then immediately x replaces 2 and y replaces 3. That is 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 into 2 plus 12 into 3 plus c1 is equal to 0. That is 4 plus 6, 9 plus 16 plus 24 plus c1 is equal to 0. Therefore, implies c1 is equal to, what is the value? It is 24 means 53. So the answer is minus 53. So therefore, our equation of the circle, concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y minus 53 is equal to 0. This is called a concentric circle with the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you one and all.